Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Friday, August 24th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 5.5 points to 28.63.5 per contract. All in all, the futures are catching a little bit of a bid ahead of the opening bell. Now, today is a Friday. We've seen really just a sideways drift this week. We'll see if we get more of the same into the close. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention. That's where we're going to try to make some money. All right, let's start off with ROST Stores. ROST is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $91.44. It closed at $95.03. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock right now a little bit lower than the close, so we'll see where this goes. I really like the $86.40 level if it does sell off. So keep that on the radar today. $86.40 should be pretty solid for ROST Stores if it does sell off a little bit. So we'll see how that plays out. And again, ROST under a little bit of pressure here ahead of the opening bell. Let's move over now to HPQ, Hewlett Packard. HPQ is a ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at $23.82. I like the $21.20 level if it does get down there. I don't know if it will, but if it does, then there's a play. If it doesn't get there, so be it. Next up, we have INTU. INTU is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $210.75. Closed yesterday at $212.45. So a little bit of down ticking. I don't think there's a whole lot to do. Still a lot of support for Intuit right around the 204 level if it does trade lower. Let's take a look at ADSK. ADSK is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $150.71. It closed at $136.31. So this is a great move for Autodesk. I'll give this the upside bias to maybe $154, $155. Again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings, but this is a power move for Autodesk this morning, so great job there. Let's take a look at GPS. This is Gap Stores. Right now the stock is trading at $29.88. I'm going to have levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room for this one. So if you haven't tried out the intraday stock chat room, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. Another great day yesterday in the intraday stock chat room. We hit Alibaba a couple times. It was just a very good solid day for a slow summertime session. Yesterday's chat room was on fire. GPS, we're going to have gap levels ready for this to go in the chat room. And again, that should play out nicely. Let's take a look at VMware. VMW is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $149.90, closed at $154.77. This is coming off of a very overbought condition on a bigger time frame. Right now, I don't think there's much to do here with VMware, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at SPLK, which is Splunk. This is trading higher as well, closed at $107.73 yesterday. It is now trading at $116.48. Briefly, almost got up to the 120 level yesterday after the close. So again, we'll give this a slight upside bias at the moment. We'll see where it can go. But one thing I will say, if you own this name, I would trail the stop loss immediately. I would not look to buy it up here. The stock is just way overbought at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at OSI. Ticker symbol is OSIS. And that stock right now is trading at $79.20, closed at $77.16. So nice little pop there. Buy some chance. If this gets up to the $85 level, there should be a very good amount of resistance there. Let's move over to Foot Locker. FL is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $53.20. It's now trading at $52.99. So there's no big move there for Foot Locker, but they did report earnings a little while ago this morning. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today catching a bid. Gold is up $6.80. Make that $6.30 to $1,200.20 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold, that's trading at $112.95. Gold yesterday was pounded lower. Today it is rebounding. What's the cause? It's probably a lower dollar, and sure enough, that is the case today. U.S. dollar index pulling back a little bit, and that is giving a bounce in gold. It's amazing how those two work almost inverse lockstep at this point in time. Let's move over to the crude oil market. Crude oil up 75 cents today to $68 $14.57 a barrel. So crude on the move today. Let's go to the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude. You'll see that's trading at $14.42, closed at $14.27 yesterday. So oil is up, gold is up, the dollar is down, stocks are all over the place, but we got lots of potential plays out here this morning. Again, I think we have Federal Reserve Chairman Powell speaking at 10 o'clock this morning from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So watch for that and see if his speech moves the markets. After that, markets should get very quiet going into the weekend. So we'll see how it all plays out, but should be an interesting morning. I want to wish you all a great day, and we will see you all on the charts.